Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to upload files on Google Drive. First of all, we have to go to Google Drive. This is my interface. Your interface will be different from mine. So in order to upload files in Google Drive, first of all we have to go to this section which is known as New. Click on New, then we'll create a new folder. If I want to name my folder like sharing files, you can name as your wish, then click on create. So here you can see I have created a new folder which is called sharing files. Click on this folder. Now if you want to upload anything like music, video or pictures, you can upload here. I would like to upload some pictures here. I can upload pictures in two steps. First of all, I can go to wallpaper. Like I want to upload these pictures, I can click here and come and drop the pictures here. This is one method. Another method is like you can go to this section which is new and click on file upload. Like I want to upload some wallpapers, pictures of my wallpaper. I can select 1 or 2 or 3 as per my wish. Like I want to upload 3 wallpapers, I will select 3 images, click on open. Based on your internet connection, the pictures will be uploaded. It will take some time. See, all the pictures are getting uploaded. So within 2 steps you can easily upload your pictures, videos and anything on Google Drive. If you like our video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in another video. Thank you.